get to a position where you're able to produce within real estate, not for the necessity of income, but for the ability to help people. So there's a lot of agents out there that aren't ready to make that jump and to be full-time. And I myself, the first 5 years of my career were part-time. And I think it's actually a really good idea to do, because the full-time position allows you to pay your bills. It doesn't make you get what I call commission breath, and it allows you to be able to go ahead and move forward and get to a position where you're able to produce within real estate, not for the necessity of income, but for the ability to help people. So I'm a very big believer in keeping your full-time job, taking that 501 slot to 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, and then all weekend, and utilize it on your real estate career. So I think there's definitely enough time in the day. The average agent does 10 deals a year, and you can definitely do that being part-time.